What's going on, everybody? This is our 2017 Dodge Durango RT, and we just got this a few days ago, so I like checking over a few things, make sure everything's on the good with it. Tire pressure: front tires need to be 33 psi cold, rear tires 36 psi, and then the spare, which is underneath, and few people check their spare tire pressure, and which is why when they need it and they put it on the car, there it is. This one has a full-size spare, so it doesn't have the extreme 60 psi like some of those little Mickey Mouse spare tires do. This one's around 39 psi, so make sure you check it. You know, if you haven't checked yours in forever, that day will come when you need it, and it might only have 15 or 20 psi in it, and then you'll wonder why it goes flat on you in no time. And you know, if you're curious where this information is stated on your vehicle, just open your driver's door. There she is. Make sure you do it when the tires are cold too. You know, if you haven't driven it yet. 33 front, 36 rear, 39 spare. And that's that. This is the blacktop version, you know, which has the black rims and you know, black side mirrors, black front grille. So if yours looks like this, it's called the blacktop package. Great vehicle. You know, we've only had it a few days, but I am really impressed with it so far. Drives fantastic, you know, really good suspension, good steering, good brakes. This one is, you know, a used one, of course, has almost 80,000 miles, and it feels as brand new as anything. So we'll do videos on it when we get, you know, a chance. And yeah, really great. So once again, 33, 36, 39 on the spare. But just check that decal on your inside driver's door, and that'll tell you for sure. And that's it. Check out other videos. We've got tons of videos about this vehicle and many others. So look through our channel and you might see some stuff that'll help you. And look for the thumbnail at the end of this video, and you might stumble across something that you'll go, wow, I needed that and I didn't even know I needed it. So there you go. Have a great day. We'll see y'all later.